Tonight I am making a beef and vegetable medley in a delicious homemade chunky thick tomato sauce and served over pasta. All made in one pot and ready to eat in 45 minutes from start to finish. I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen. This is a great recipe if you have lots of produce to use in the refrigerator and if you're trying to get the kids to eat more vegetables. This beef and vegetable medley dinner is easy, delicious, and you can have ready to eat in 45 minutes, and that includes prep time. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm browning and chopping 1 pound of ground beef and draining off any excess fat. Seasoning with a little salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then removing from the heat. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of finely diced onions, half a small diced green bell pepper, 1 large diced carrot, a pinch of kosher salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. This is 3 large cloves of minced garlic and 1 cup of diced mushrooms. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This will help thicken our sauce, giving that a good stir until all the paste is dispersed. I'm adding in about a half a cup of chicken broth to help deglaze the pan. You can use water, giving that a good stir and bringing up to a simmer. For the seasonings, I have 1 teaspoon each of oregano and basil, giving that a good stir to combine. This is 1 large can of whole Marzano tomatoes with the juice, giving that a stir and bringing up to a simmer. I'm giving the tomatoes a rough chop as they cook. I really enjoy the bright freshness the tomatoes add to the sauce. Letting this simmer for 5 minutes. This is 1 small diced zucchini or 1½ cups. Giving that a good stir and then adding the ground beef back into the pan. Cooking and occasionally stirring for 10 minutes or until the zucchini is tender. You want the sauce to be thick so it lays on a bed of pasta. You can add more broth or water if needed. Remember to give it a taste for any more seasonings. Serving tonight with some rotini pasta and topping with some grated Parmesan cheese. I love all the vegetables packed into this flavorful sauce. The ground beef makes it rich and hearty. I hope you give this 1-pot ground beef vegetable medley dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!